अल्पं हि सारभूयिष्ठं यत्कर्मोदारमेव तत् कृतमेवाकृतात् श्रेयो न पापीयोऽस्त्यकर्मणः. This shloka from Mahabharata Shanti Parvat says, a small thing done in a great way becomes a great thing. Doing things is always better than remaining inactive. The one who is inactive is a sinner, papi. Not all of us in our life get an opportunity to do great things, such as building the nation, protecting our country, and bring social reforms. But definitely we do get some opportunities of doing small things, such as doing our job, doing some business for livelihood, or doing household works such as sweeping, cooking, and other things. These small things done in a great way become great things. Doing small things in a great way means doing it with a selfless attitude and committed mentality. It is said that the Rome is not built in a day. The same way, a Mahatma, noble man, hasn't become a noble man overnight. Whenever he gets opportunities to do small things, he has been doing those things with a selfless way, which made him a Mahatma, noble man. This is a famous story which all of you might have heard, that the construction of a temple was going on in a particular place. Many workers were working there. A visitor came there and asked a worker, "What are you doing?" He said, "Something I have to do for my livelihood. Can't you see? I am working under hot sun for my life." The visitor asked many workers who gave same answers. At last, the visitor came to a worker and asked the same question, and the worker answered, "See, is a big temple is going to be constructed, and I am doing my service, which will be dedicated to the Lord." Actually, like all other workers, this worker was also doing his work to support his life. But along with that work, he had developed a selfless attitude and a spiritual force within himself, which made him more than a worker, more than a labor. The Bhagavad Gita also says, "Karma jyayo hyakarmanaha." Doing our duty is always better or the best thing to do than remaining inactive. Nahi kaschit kshanamapi jatutishthak chakarmakrita. Nobody can remain inactive. One or another physical or mental activity is going on in his personality. So, the karma, the duty which is going on inevitably, if is considered as a puja, deva puja, that becomes a great thing, and that man becomes a Mahatma, which is also said in English, work is worship, which means doing our duty in a right way, selfless way, is a worship of God.